Seca with the crew. Got some dope cars in the lineup. So y'all get ready, stay tuned, let's get it. Alright, Sam, so remember how I told you you're not driving your car today?
Yeah.
You want to know what you're driving? You're driving one of the Skylines today.
This one? No way.
Yeah, you're driving one of the Skylines. There's no freaking mirrors on this. What the Welcome to Laguna Seca. Good morning, brother. How you doing? That shit's sick. Oh, that's a sick ass vet. Viper. Popping, y'all. Made it here to Laguna Seca. Got the R34s lined up. Hey Sam, what do you think? What was your first experience with R34 like?
It was pretty cool. Very smooth.
Were you very surprised by today?
Very smooth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Cars and coffee is definitely popping out here today. We got a lot of cool cars and a lot of Skylines that pulled up. Really nice chaser. We're sitting behind these people. Got a Hako. A lot of cool cars here today. Always a great time in Laguna Seca. Alright y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and load up in the R34. We're gonna go do a parade lap. So let's go ahead and hit the track.
Name of the game. Mad, God damn it.
And as y'all can see, we just finished the parade lap in the cars. Very cool. How dope is it to be able to drive an R34 on the track, get alone at Laguna? How sick. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Look how good these cars look. It's so crazy because driving this car, it took me like almost no time to get used to it, and I almost forgot it was right-hand drive.
I was watching.
On my day. Danny, text me when you get home, bro. Thanks for coming out. Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video at Laguna Seca Cars and Coffee. Huge major shout out to my homie Mike from Kaiju Company. I'll have his details listed below. And also shout out to Thomas 50 Shades, who also helped contribute to this today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And when you guys get a chance, take that chance to go drive a Skyline. It was so comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, I was very surprised. But anyway, stay tuned for more content. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.
You want me right out my mind. Catch me as I slide on your taste side.